This is 5154. This is another size or another style of inside accessibility cabin. You see, nice wide entry with the door, again, nice and wide door. As you come in, you have your mini bar. There's a chair here which can move around, your drawer with your hair dryer. There's also a little stool that you can sit on. Nice big mirror. The lights were already on. It's over the TV area. Now the TV is on a little swivel so it can face towards the beds now. The beds, this is what they look like when they're two twins, where they can be pushed together to make one king size bed. And then of course that nightstand would be on the other side. As far as power goes, there is only USB power on one side, but there's also a panic button if you need it. On that side, there's a lot of extra space. I would have thought they would have put the panic button on this side.
Yeah, I would have thought so too.
I would push the beds together. This would be the more accessible side to me.
I would have thought so too.
That's just me. Over here, your closets. You've got shelves and drawers on this side. There's a safe hidden back behind there. And over here, you have your hanging side. And I love the fact that this handle and this pulls down so you can get to it if you're in a chair, okay, or a scooter. Now this has a zero clearance or roll-in bathroom. All right, you go right into the shower. There's a bench that you can transfer over to. Plenty of grab bars all the way around here. Okay, there is a pull cord for an emergency in the shower, as well as a button for panic in the toilet area if you need assistance. You can roll right up underneath the sink, and you got sort of a little wraparound mirror with a couple shelves. Of course, there's also power. So let us know what you think about this style of inside as opposed to the other one. Till we see you on the next one.